been my passion to build motorcycles right from the scratch. Not just engineering, but lot of art goes into it, and I relate to it. It was a classic 500 as a donor bike that we worked on. Right from the front fender, the headlights, the handlebar, the tank, indicators, foot pads, seat, side panels. The rim is one of a kind with 60 spokes, American old school pattern. One of the cool features of this bike is the running light. It's been 6 months that I'm working on this bike, but as they say, you cannot rush a masterpiece. This was one of the most satisfying projects that I did. I have been modifying bikes for a couple of years now, and this is one of the most satisfying projects that I have worked till now.